Hi children, how are you? I hope that you are fine ma, pink and health. Children, last week we are at Bhimbetka ma, so the children are very curious to watch the caves and cave painting. Are you ma? So let's watch along with them ma. Okay children, so open page number children, page number 28 ma, where we stop ma, we have to start from that one. Now the children, page number 28 ma. Now the children are really excited to see the cave paintings. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. They reach Bhimbetka at 11 o'clock children now. It is time 11 o'clock ma. When ma? The time is 11 o'clock. Please remember these times ma. Okay ma, when they start their journey ma? They start their journey at 9 o'clock. Now at 11 o'clock they are at Bhimbetka. Okay ma, they spend half an hour at the petrol bunk nama. So here one boy is saying, wow, even 10,000 years ago people made such lovely paintings. That too on rocks. Look at the painting children. On the rocks they drew our ancestors 10,000 years before the paintings were made ma. Look how beautiful they are. Their animal paintings are there nama. Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. So these rocks are thousands of years old ma. Very old paintings ma. Have a look children. These are very beautiful ma. So move to the next page children. Page number 29. So Shankar is saying something ma. What he's saying, this painting also has very big bisons ma. Very big bisons. Hey, I got an idea. Okay, he's very playful, so he got some idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the paintings. So they are doing maths while watching the cave paintings. They are doing what he's Shankar is saying ma. It really this is a good idea ma. So enjoyment along with lessons. Count the bisons. He will count the bisons and someone will count the deer in the paintings. How many deers are there? So who accepted that one? Bonamala accepted that one. So what she said, ma, I will count people. So people are also there nama in the picture. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. So they are counting. So here look at in this picture ma. Here he is counting bisons 34, 35, 36, 37. So total how many bisons are there ma? 37 bisons are there. Here this girl is counting deers. This girl is counting deeds. How many deeds are there ma? 117 deeds are there. How many ma? 117. And Bonamala is counting people. So how many more deer are there than bisons? So how many deers are there ma? 117 deers are there. But only 37 bisons are there. So what is the question ma? How many more deers than bisons? So what we need? We need to do subtraction. 7 minus 7, 0, 11 minus 3. Or you can borrow this one. 1 minus 3 it is not possible ma. 1 is the smallest, smaller than 3. So we need to borrow from the next number. So this 1 become 11. 11 minus 3. How much ma? 11 minus 3, 8 ma. So how many more deer than bisons ma? 80. What is the answer children? 80 is the answer ma. But Bonamala is happiest. Why she is happiest ma? Why she was happy? Because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bison together. Wow. So look at this one ma. The number of people is even more than what more than number of deer and bison together. So deer and bison together means how many deers ma? 117 deers are there. And how many bisons children? 37 bisons are there. So what is the total number of deers and bisons ma? 7 plus 7, 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 1. So if you add these two, what we get? We get 154. But what Bonimala is here, what he is saying, it is even more than that one. So more than 154. So the number of people is greater than 154. Okay children, do you understand this one? The number of people is greater than 154. Okay children, so what is the question ma? How many people must Bonamala have counted? Here 4 answers are given. Among this one only one answer is correct. Okay ma? But another Option is there. Her count is less than 200. Her count is less than 200. So number of people is in between. Obviously, it is in between 200 and 154. Okay, children, it is not more than 200, but not less than 154. So what is the answer, ma? 214 is correct answer? No, ma. Why? Because it is more than 200. So this is wrong. So what about 154? No, ma. What he said, ma? It is more than the number of deeds and bisons together. So this is not the answer. And 134 obviously is smaller than 154. So this is not the answer. So what is the correct answer, ma? 177 is the correct answer. How many people that Bonamala counted, ma? 177 people. Okay, children, the guide. So in every historic places, some persons are there who tell about the place, ma. So these people are called guides, ma. They explain about the place, everything about that place, ma. That historical place. Okay, the guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. In total, how many cave paintings are there, ma? 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. So they visit Bhimbetka. They what? How many caves they are able to visit? They visit that one. They enjoy that one. They learn many things from that place. Ma Bhimbetka. It's time to leave Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there. What time is it? So already I told you to remember one thing. When they reach Bhimbetka, ma, at what time they reach Bhimbetka? They reach at 11 o'clock. When they reach children, 11 o'clock. And how much time they spent there? They spent 1 hour. How much time they spent now? 1 hour. So what time is it now? 11 plus 1. How much, ma? It is 12 o'clock. Okay, now? So they are now moving towards Bhopal. So this is their destination. They want to visit Bhopal. Why, ma? Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is called the city of lakes. Very beautiful city with plenty of lakes, ma'am. So they where they lived, ma? They lived in Hoshangabad. That is the one city in Madhya Pradesh, ma. So they are going to visit their capital city. So what which state it is, ma? It is in Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. And what is the another name for Bhopal, ma? City of lakes. Why? Because plenty of lakes are there. Trust me, ma. This Bhopal is a very very beautiful city, ma. Okay, ma. They should reach there in less than 1 hour. At about dash o'clock. When they will reach, ma? Less than 1 hour means they reach it before 1 o'clock. At noon, 1 o'clock, ma. Okay, ma, afternoon, ma. Okay, children. So move to the next page, children. Page number 29. Okay, ma. It is lunch time. So people are hungry, ma. So that is a lunch time. The children are hungry by this time. At 1, ma. So that is obviously that is a lunch time, ma. By this time. So they take out their lunch bags. Biscuits, oranges, and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. So which they are providing biscuits, oranges, and bananas, ma, and they distributed to all the children in all buses, ma. Okay, each child is to be given 1 orange. So each child get 1 orange, 1 banana, and 5 biscuits. Okay, ma. So 5 biscuits, 1 orange, 1 banana, and 5 biscuits for each child, ma. All the children takes oranges. So everyone love oranges. So all they took oranges. Biscuits also, children obviously they love biscuits, nama, they took biscuits. But 38 children do not take bananas. So 38 children refuse to eat bananas. Okay, ma? Children, tell me how many children are there, ma, total in this journey. So total 200 children are traveling, nama. Among 200 children, all 200 children take the 1 orange. Okay, ma? So 210 oranges. Okay, children, everyone took. So children took each one take 1 orange, nama. So total 210 oranges. Okay, ma, taken by the students. Oranges. Okay, ma. So each took 5 biscuits, nama. So how many biscuits are distributed, ma? 210 and into 5 ma. Each took 5 biscuits. So how many biscuits are distributed for children ma? 5 0 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So 1050 biscuits are distributed. So 1030 biscuits are distributed. Okay ma. So 210 oranges are distributed. So here 38 children refused to take banana ma. So how many children took bananas ma? So total 210 ma. Total 210. Among this one, 38 people refused to take bananas. So how many children took that one? How many bananas were distributed? 0 minus 8 not possible. So we need to borrow from this one. It becomes 0 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 0 minus 2. So we need to borrow from 2. It become 1. It become 10. Okay ma? 10 minus 3 is 7. So 1 you need to bring down 1. Okay ma? So 172 bananas were distributed. 172 bananas were distributed. Okay children. So here one question is there. How many oranges, biscuits and bananas are distributed? Already we did na ma. How many oranges ma? 210 oranges. How many biscuits children? 1050 biscuits and 172 bananas are distributed. Okay children, so move to the next one. Manjeet and Banu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzles. So even you love puzzles, Nama. Even you love puzzles. So puzzles, this is a puzzles time. After completing their lunch, they start to asking puzzles, ma. So we are very excited to solve the puzzles, Nama. We played many times these games. So Manjeet, what he's saying, ma, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. So Manjeet is asking this puzzle. Which number is exactly between 100 and 150? Banu is asking 120, no. 130, no. It is 125. Banu said the reply 125. Do you know children how it is? 125, how you get ma? So what is the number is exactly in between 150 and 100? A lot of methods are there ma. So 150 minus 100. How much ma? If you subtract you get 50. So in 50 ma, exactly half ma. So 50 divided by 2, how much ma? 25. So this is between 100 and 125, 150 number. So the answer is 125. Or if you take the numbers on the number line ma, okay ma. So 101. So if you write the numbers like this one, up to 149 and 150. So which number will get exactly ma? 125 at the center ma. So the answer is 125. Manji said, right, okay, now you ask now. So other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzle questions. They are enjoying with the puzzles. So look at the puzzles ma. Here 5 puzzles are there for us ma. First one. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends. Listen the puzzle children, read it ma. Okay, what ma? I gave 4 toffees. 4 toffees means 4 chocolates ma. Okay ma? To 4 of my friends. And 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? Do you understand the question ma? A boy is asking, he has 4 friends. How many friends ma? He has 4 friends and he is giving 4 toffees to each. For one boy he gave 4 toffees, 4 chocolates ma. Okay, for one boy he gave 4 chocolates. Like this one, 4 chocolates to each boy. Okay children, so like after that one, like this one he gave to 4 friends. 1 2 3 4 friends. Okay ma, after distributing 4 chocolates to each 4 friends, another 3 chocolates left ma. So 4 chocolates for first member, 4 chocolates for second member, 8 ma, 4 plus 4 8 for third person. After 12 chocolates, 4 persons, 16 chocolates. 16 chocolates were distributed to his friends. Now with him 3 chocolates are left. He said, Nama, 3 toffees are left with me. So how many total chocolates that he have? How many toffees? 6 plus 3 9 1. So how many toffees that he have ma? 19. What is the answer children? 19 is the answer for the first puzzle. Okay children, move to the second puzzle, B. What numbers can you make using 3, 5, 7? So by using 3 digits now. 3, 5, 7. So first I will write the numbers ma. Okay, you can make 357 and 537. What are the others? He is asking that one. First I will make how many numbers I can make using these numbers ma. First I will take 3 ma. 3 in the first place. 357. 3 in the first place ma. Okay. So I chose 3. So now 3 in the first place only. Just interchange these numbers. So 7 in the second place. 5 in the third place. Okay children, so now I chose the next number. What is that one? 5. I will choose 5 ma. 5 in the first place. So 3 in the second place, 7 in the third place. Okay, again 5 in the first place. Okay, I selected 5 nama. So interchange these numbers children. 7, 3. Okay children, then now 7's turn. 7 in the first place, so 3, 5. Now again 7 in the first place. Now interchange these two numbers, 5, 3. So how many numbers I made? I made 6 numbers. Already he gave 357 the first one and 537 the third one. So another numbers, what others ma? 375, 573, 735 and 753. These 4 numbers are the other numbers. Okay ma? Do you understand children? So come to the third puzzle children. A number becomes double. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. Okay children, if it is increased by 8, what is the number? This is the puzzle children. Anyone get that idea? How to solve this puzzle? So what he is saying, one number is there. It is doubled ma. When it's double, if it is increased, if it is added by 8. When 8 is doubled ma, if you add another 8, it's double. When one is double, if you add 1, it becomes 2. Then is double. If you take 2 ma, if you add 2, it's doubled. It gets 4. If you take the number twice, then only it's double nama. And which number he said ma? He said it is increased by 8. So when it is double ma, if you take the same number again. Very simple logic children. So 8 plus 8. So its double is 16. 2 8s are 16. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So what is that number ma? The number is 8 itself. So when it's double ma, when you add the same number only, it's doubled ma. So 5 is there, for example 5 is there. Okay ma? 5 is there. When is 5 doubled ma? Here 5 is there. When it's doubled, 5 is that, and when it's become 10. When you add 5 to this number, then only it's become 10. Okay, if 10 is there, when it's doubled ma, it's become 20. When you add 10 to this number, then only it's doubled. So like this one ma. So what is the answer children? The third answer is 8 ma. So some more puzzles are there. Let's find out ma in page number 31 children. Okay ma. Okay children. So another puzzle is there ma. D puzzle. Think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3, 5 and comes between 25 and 50. Think ma, in a easy way we can solve this one ma. Think of a number. One number is there and that number is divided by 2, 3 and 5 also ma. With these 3 numbers the number is divided by. And what is the another one ma? The number comes between 25 and 50. Okay ma, the number comes between 25 and 50. Okay ma. So what are the numbers comes between 25 and 50 ma? Let's make a list children. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay children, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay ma. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So according to the puzzle ma, our answer is just hide in between these numbers na ma. So from 26 to 50, our answer is between these numbers only. So we have to get our answer. And what is the hint ma? The number can be divided by, this number is divided by 2, 3 and 5. So I will take 5 ma. So 5 multiples, what are the 5 multiples in 5 table? 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. This is the 5 multiple. 5 7s are 35. This is the 5 multiple. 5 8s are 40. This is the 5 multiple. 5 9s are 45. So 50 is not countable ma, 5 10s are 50, but our answer is high between these numbers only. So in 3 table, which number is there ma? In 3 table, 3 tens are 30. In 3 table also it is there. But 35 is in 3 table ma? No ma, 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36. So it is not in 3 table. So this is wrong. So 40 is in 3 table? No ma, it's not there. 45, yeah, 3 15s are 45. This is there ma. So with 2 table ma, so in 2 table 30 is there ma. Yes, 2 15s are 30. In 2 table also it's there. It is a 2 multiple, 3 multiple and 5 multiple. What about 45? 2 multiple? No ma, it is an odd number. It is not a 2 multiple. So what is our answer, children? 30 is our answer. Okay children, if you do in another way, in 2 table 26 is there, 24, 28 is there, you can take like that one. But if you wisely, if you want to solve this one within a minutes of time and within a seconds of time, take 5 marks. So what is our answer ma? 30 is our answer. So 30 is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. So in 2 table how many times ma? 2 15s are. 2 15s are 30. 3 table 3 10s are 30. In 5 table 5 6 are 30. So this is our answer. And it's very funny question ma, very easy question. A small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. Okay children, it climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute. In the same minute it slipped down to 2 centimeter. How much time it will take to climb 2 centimeters? How much time will it take to climb 2 centimeter? So it need to climb 2 centimeter ma. How much ma? 2 centimeter need to climb. So ma, in 1 meter what happened? Might climb 3 centimeters, but it slipped to 2 centimeters. That means 3 minus 2, how much children? 1 centimeter. Which means in 1 minute it climbed to 1 centimeter. If you want to complete 2 centimeters, how much time it's required ma? It required 2 minutes. Very simple one ma. The ant climbs in 1 minute 1 centimeter. So in to complete 2 centimeters, how much time required ma? 2 minutes ma. Okay children, very interesting puzzles are there ma. So children, I am giving a small activity for you children here. What is that activity ma? Collect 20 mathematics puzzles ma. What ma? What you have to do ma? You have to collect 20 mathematical puzzles or riddles, whatever it is ma. Collect that one. Okay ma, that is your activity. Okay, when we will meet in our class, we will ask to each other children. Okay children, have a nice day ma. Be safe ma.